In this video, I will show you how to highlight only integer or whole numbers in Excel like this. So let's get started. Here in this Excel sheet, I have the price of a stock at various times. Now I want to highlight only integer values in light green color. The decimal values should have the default background color. We can use the Excel mode function to do that. The mode function returns the remainder of two numbers after division. This function accepts two arguments, a number and a divisor. For example, this mode formula will return 0 as a remainder because if we divide a number by the same number, we get 0 as a remainder. This mode formula will also return 0 as the remainder because the number 4 is a multiple of 2. This mode formula will return 1 because if we divide 5 by 2, we will get 1 as the remainder. Similarly, if we divide a decimal number by 1, we will get the decimal part as the remainder, and if we divide an integer number by 1, we will get 0 as the remainder. To highlight only integer numbers, I will divide the cell values by 1 and then compare the remainder with 0. If the number is an integer, we will get 0 as the remainder. Let's create a formatting rule based on this. Select the range of the cells containing stock prices. Now go to the Home tab, click the conditional formatting option and then select the new rule menu item. Select the use a formula to determine which cells to format option from the rule type list. Now we need to enter a custom formula that either returns a true or false value. I will use this formula to divide the first cell B3 by 1 and get the remainder using the mode function and then compare it with 0. Excel will automatically apply this formula to the remaining cells in the selected range. Now click the Format button to open the Format Cells dialog box. Since we want to change the cell background, select the Fill tab from the top. Select a background color to apply to the integer values. I am going to choose the light green color. Click the OK button to close the Format Cells dialog box. Make sure to check the preview section to confirm the cell format. This custom cell format will be applied to a cell only when the formula we entered returns true for that particular cell. In this case, this format applies when the cell value is an integer. Click the OK button to close the conditional formatting dialog box. As you can see, all the integer values are now highlighted with the light green color. This conditional formatting rule is dynamic, so if we change any of the highlighted cell values to make it a decimal number, the format will be removed automatically like this. Similarly, if we change any price value and make it an integer, it will be highlighted in the light green color like this. To remove the conditional formatting from these cells, select all the price cells again. Now click the conditional formatting option from the Home tab and then select the Clear Rules menu item. Since we want to remove the conditional formatting, I will select the Clear Rules from Selected Cells option. As you can see, the conditional formatting is now removed from the price values. Watch these videos for more Excel tips, tricks and how-to tutorials. If you find this video useful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel.